Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift every day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their videos today too, as they'll also be opening a gift and it might be from me. Links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the 6th day in our Advent collab, so let's see what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Here's my bowl of goodies. Let's see. Choose something at random. Okay, we have, this is from Tammy again today. Let's see. I do hope you other ladies are having as much fun as I am. This has been great so far. Oh, oh, Tammy, that is so super cute. Oh my goodness. There's a tiny pair of lace panties in here for Blythe with, I think, peachy pink and a white lace trim. And we've got a little backing card of foxes. So I'm not sure who they're from, if it's from a shop or if you've made these. Oh, they are cute. Yeah, you can definitely never have too much underwear for your dolls. Mine are lacking a few pairs of pants, so this will be extremely useful. Thank you very much, Tammy. So there we go, some tiny Blythe pants. Oh, how wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you, Tammy, for today's lovely surprise gift. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift and take care. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.